Hello, this is Jason with JTC. I just wanted to show you a quick way to get your tax information for the 2019 tax year using the Paylocity app that you log into to clock in and out of work every day. Simply clock in, as we're doing right now, or log into your Paylocity app. Second button down underneath Community is the Pay option. Click that tab. You'll see all your tax information will be recorded at the bottom right-hand corner. The bottom right-hand of the screen says Tax Forms. Click on that, select the year you're trying to send to somebody, and then hit the top right-hand corner Mail button. You'll have to create a password. We'll just make a quick password here, ABC123, and then you're going to put in the email address of the person that you're wanting to send this to. Your tax professional. We'll use jtctrades.com for this one. Simply send that form and wait for that person to collect the email. Once they get the email, that is good as a W-2, and you won't have to wait for the good old-fashioned snail mail to deliver it to your house. So you should be first in line at the H&R Block using this method. Just another benefit of working with JTC: superior communication and lightning fast employee solutions to these kind of issues. Thank you so much. If you got any more information that you want from this, please call James in HR at the 405-601-4848 number, or you can text us at any time. Thank you.